This is the manual ear wax cleaner. It's safe, comfortable, and easy to use. Completely seamless. It's a one-hand operation, and it's fantastic to keep your ears clean. It's recommended that you put some ear drops before. That way you can help the cleanse to be better in your ears. So you're just gonna put some warm water and you're gonna close it. The instructions are very easy. And then you're gonna put that little thing for the ear, and you want to make sure that it's secure and ready to utilize to go inside of your ear. And then it's going to be as easy as putting it inside of your ear at a certain angle, and then you just start like I'm doing right there, pressing that pump, and you will feel the water coming inside of your ear. This is going to be a warm water, so it's going to help remove all the wax and all the dirt that you could have in your ear. And it's actually a nice sensation. It's not hurtful at all. It's not painful. So it actually feels really nice. And it also comes with all instructions, so you can take a better look if you want to look more into it. But very easy and nice to use.